guys, we are baling today. Today is Wednesday, 18th. I got a bunch to do today. I'm doing some marsh hay now, and then this will have to be wrapped too as well. But I'm gonna go ahead. I had a guy, he put a comment up on one of my baler videos, and he put it up and I got notified that it was there, but then I think he deleted it. I don't know. Anyways, his comment was regarding the New Holland balers. And he also referred to West Pandy or Onelonleyfarmer, which I pretty much watch all his videos, so I know exactly what's going on over there. And his comment was that I should do what Onelonleyfarmer did: get rid of my New Hollands and buy Krone, buy either a Krone baler or 2 Krone balers, because Onelonleyfarmer says that they are the best baler on the market, and I'm not doubting that at all. He's run balers since for a long time. I don't know how long he's been running big square balers, but anyways, Wes had a 340. Both of these are 330s. He had a 340 that gave him a buttload of trouble, especially in the head, the pickup chain area. I'm not 100% sure what's going on there. But then he bought 2. Well, he started with one 1290 HDP. I don't know what all the letters are. Krone big packs. And after running them for a short while, he discovered that they were some of the best balers he's ever ran. They're built heavy and whatnot. Would I do that? Well, there's a couple reasons that I'm not going to go out at this minute and buy a Krone baler. For one, price tag. I haven't really looked into them. I know the 2 that he has, he paid a lot for though. I think double of what I paid for my first one. And I got nothing against them, but right now, any money I have's we got other things that need to be replaced, upgraded, and so on. And the balers are running, for what I'm putting through them, they're putting up with it. The other thing, which actually kept Wes from buying one earlier on, was availability. There's not a Krone dealer within at least an hour of me, whereas New Holland, I can go get New Holland parts in a 15-minute drive. So I don't know if they have the parts available that if I would break down, if I could just run and grab parts or not. I really don't know. But I don't know, I got 2 330 balers. One's a 2017 and this one's a 2017, the other one's a 2015. Really haven't given me any ongoing problems. I think I had a bearing out of this one, and The other one really hasn't given me much trouble at all. I had a few troubles last year, but the problem was the dealer I was going to. They just didn't know what was going on. And so yeah, I do appreciate your comment, and I do see where you're looking, because I too am actually looking in that direction. Another thing, the 1290 balers are 3x4. I would need a 3x3. I got nothing against 3x4 bales, but a good portion of my customers they can't handle a 3x4 bale. A 3x3 bale is perfect for them. And literally, I baled for a guy that's directly across the road from two other guys that do custom baling, and they have a 3x4, and the 3x4s just don't work for them. And so he calls me because I got a 3x3, and I have a lot of my customers are smaller. Now Krone, I believe, does make a 3x3. It might not be, I think, similar to the size of the bales that I'm making now. But it all comes down to availability. If anybody actually has one that makes that size of bale, I don't know. But yeah, I mean, definitely something I'd look at in the future. By the way, if you guys, I'm talking about Onelonleyfarmer here. If you haven't seen his videos and you like the baler stuff, I definitely would tell you to go out and check him out, Onelonleyfarmer. He does a lot of really cool stuff. He actually makes mulch hay for the mushroom barns, which is, I mean, I've never heard of anybody doing that. So that's really cool, and he's actually starting to take on contracts now. A couple weeks here, he's going to be baling corn stalks, which I am really excited about, because I love to see how the Krone balers take the corn stalks. For us, I mean, I baled just under 2,000 this year, and it was a long couple weeks, because those corn stalks really mess up the knotters. You're constantly fixing knotters. So I'd love to see how the balers take that. But anyways, I appreciate your comment. I can't remember what your name was, and I'm not going to give it out. Anybody else that wants to comment, I'd appreciate that, and I definitely would answer. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me talk about nonsense. I hope somebody found this interesting. But if you got any questions, throw them in the comments. Subscribe. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you next time.